Good morning. Happy April 20th. Welcome back from spring break. We have a Zoom session on Tuesday, and it would be great if you guys came out. I know that we got the bad news on Friday that we're not coming back to school this year, which is so sad for you guys, but it's not, because we're going to find ways to celebrate you, and we're going to find ways to make sure that you remember your 8th grade year. So come to Zoom. Let's talk about it on Tuesday, and that's going to be at noon. But I don't want you guys to worry, because we're going to find a way to celebrate you. I promise you. Okay, so today we're going to be in the financial literacy packet, but we are going to skip sales tax because I feel like everybody has a good handle on sales tax, and we're going to go straight to student handout 4. So you could go ahead and open up, well, you don't have packets, but you could digitally get your packet out, and I think I'm pretty sure I did attach the work here. So you could also just take a look at the PDF I sent. Okay, so let's talk about income tax. Income tax is a percentage withheld from your income that you earn. It is taken out of your paycheck by your employer. That is so important, because what ends up happening most of the time is people are like, oh, I get $10 an hour. That's great. And if I work 8 hours, I get $80 in my pocket. Well, not true. You don't get that, because guess who comes in and takes the money before you get the $80? So if you make $80, and let's say that taxes are 8%, that's $8, then guess what happens? You don't take $80 home. You're going to take less than that. You're going to take $72 home. So everybody on their first paycheck is always surprised at how much money is taken out for taxes. And you could ask your parents about it, and they'll tell you that right away. They're always surprised at how much money is taken out. Okay, there's a couple of different taxes here. We're just going to talk about these 3. So the government comes in and it takes 3 different types of taxes. Actually, for us, it's 4. So one is a federal income tax, a second is called Medicare, a third is Social Security, and the fourth is our state tax. And in Illinois, that's 5%. So you're looking at 4 taxes that are taken out of your money before you even get it. So you do not even see this. It is taken out right away. So here's your check you get for your employer. They subtract the income taxes, and this is how much money you have left to spend. So that's what we're going to talk about today. And this is a great lesson, because when you go to work, you could totally know that you are going to have taxes taken out right away. So don't go spending your money that you don't have. All right, let's take a look at this really quickly. Okay, so let's begin. So use the problems below to observe the taxes. Miss Newsbaum is recording the payroll taxes, and we call that payroll taxes for his employees for the 2-week paycheck. The table shows the income of each employee. Complete the tables to determine how much is deducted and their net income. Okay, so you see right away it's 6% Social Security, 1% Medicaid, and how much is deducted. Now, this guy didn't even include federal taxes, so really this is going to be off, but let's pretend that there's no federal taxes, which is absolutely not true, but we're going to do that. So we're just going to use her chart. Okay, so we're going to take our calculator, because you could use calculators for Santiago, and you're going to multiply 1,850 by 6%, and from there you get $111. I'm sorry, that's not so clear. Medicare you take out. I'm going to try to make this nice and clear. Hold on a second. Okay, this might be easier to write. Okay, so 6% there is $111. Medicare then is, if I multiply 1% times 18.25, or I could do that in my brain, is $18.50. Total taxes withheld. Now that's this plus this, means the government's going to take away If I add 111 plus 1850, they're going to take away $129.50. And that means, let's see if I could clear those drawings. That means what I'm going to take home is $1,720.50. Well, I wish that was true, but they're going to take out more money in real life. But let's pretend that this is only what they take out. In real life, they take out 5% more, and usually income tax is about 30% more. So just so you kind of understand that. So you're going to go ahead and fill out all these wonderful forms. Then you're going to do problem number 2 and 3. Continue on and do problems 4, 5, and continue on and do homework number 4. Now, this is really easy with a calculator, so please go ahead and use your calculator on this. Remember that you have a percent button in your calculator, or you could just always multiply. 6% is 0.6, and then obviously this is 0.1, but use your calculator button to figure out all the numbers. And that's it for today. That's your homework for today. And you guys play around with that, and I'll post the answers tomorrow, and you can take a look at it. All right, guys. Hope you're all well. Hope you're doing great, and we will work on this tomorrow. Bye.